This tutorial shows you how to create a diagram with boxplots for repeated measures in R. In my example, each boxplot represents a measurement at one of the 5 points in time. To create this diagram with ease, I highly recommend using the ggpubr-package. It is based on ggplot2 and will require less input and customization. Use the install.packages function and library function to install and load the package. Then, assuming you have your data in the so-called long format, if not, check the video on converting your data frame, start with the ggboxplot function. First of all, you need to name your data source, aka your data frame, df in my example. Then you need to specify the x and y variables. For repeated measures, it is common practice to put the time variable on the x-axis. Please note that having your time variable as a factor is advised. The measurement value is put on the y-axis accordingly. Simply use the variable names within quotation marks to assign them as necessary. This will produce basic boxplots for the respective measurements. A few adjustments can and should be made. To display the horizontal part of the whiskers, you can use the argument bxp.arrowbar equals true. If you want the mean displayed as a dot, you can use add equals mean in quotation marks. Other plot elements like jitter or dot plot can also be added, some even in combination. To change the shape of outliers, use outlier.shape equals and one of the numbers you can see on your screen representing different kinds of dots. The default is number 19, but can also be changed to number 8, for example. If you don't want to display outliers, however, use outlier.shape equals NA. If you want to customize the appearance in regard to the colors, you can use the arguments fill equals and color equals. Fill will simply fill all the boxplots with a desired color. Color will, however, change the outline color only. The provided default should be fine. A gray filling and a black outline should be acceptable in most publications. Finally, if you need a notched boxplot, add the argument notch equals true. If the notches of two boxplots do not overlap, this is a hint for different medians over time, which can be further analyzed with a repeated measures ANOVA, but keep in mind that an ANOVA is comparing means. If you also have and want to display groups, the following video shows you how to create a diagram for that and customize it.